Hey guys, welcome to the video. So today we'll be doing some things a little differently. Today I'll be explaining to you using the Chemical Guys leather cleaner and the Chemical Guys leather conditioner. I'll be using my own car as an example. I'll show you how to use it, why I use it, and the difference it makes in using it. So sit back, relax, and please enjoy the video. So we're gonna be starting off by using the Chemical Guys leather cleaner. So what you wanna do is get your horse hair brush. You spray a little bit on your brush as well, and spray it on your seat. Get it all over. Nice, not drenched, but make sure you get it everywhere. So from there, you pretty much just scrub until you get all the dirt out. Simple as that. I like to do circular motions. I don't know why, it feels more satisfying that way. Then you get your microfiber towel. This is the one that comes with the kit. You wipe all the dirt off. Nice and clean. So that's pretty much step one of what you're gonna do in cleaning your leather. So from there, the next step is you getting your applicator, then getting the Chemical Guys leather cleaner, or conditioner I mean. Spray it on a little bit. Beautiful. Just mix it up, you're fine. And from there, just add it onto the seat. Although, I think I may need a little more. That's pretty much it. So what you want to do is you want to let it rest for a little bit, let the leather absorb it, and after maybe 2 or 3 minutes, come back to it. So I let it rest for around 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So right now, I'm using a different microfiber towel. It's another one that came in the kit, and I'm just gonna wipe off the excess. Beautiful. So I'm pretty sure you guys won't be able to notice it, but there's a huge difference when you touch it now than when you touched it before. So right here, this seat, I actually didn't clean the top part. It feels a little oily, but down here it just feels a lot smoother, a lot nicer. So if you guys ever want to clean your own leather seats, I'll be sure to drop a link in the description below of the Chemical Guys leather cleaner solution. And if you want to try it on your own, please feel free. And as always, if you guys are interested in me cleaning your car, detailing, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm more than happy to. And thank you for watching the video.
You